cyclonic storm Biparjoy. This is a dangerous system, damaging winds, heavy rainfall, storm surge, rough seas, mudslides, and flash floods are all possible risks. Biparjoy is located 824 kilometers south of Karachi in Pakistan. It has moved northwards at 6 kilometers per hour, 3 knots, over the past 6 hours. Biparjoy continues to drift rather slowly towards the north as the subtropical ridge to the east remains relatively weak. The ridge is forecast to build over the next 12 to 24 hours, and Biparjoy is forecast to slowly pick up some speed while still traveling generally northward. In the later times, it appears that the ECMWF has won over the bulk of the other models in intercepting a building ridge developing over the South Iran after 3 days and ridging over the South Pakistan, which will push Biparjoy on the northeastward track. Through the end of the forecast, we'll expect just east of Pakistan-India border for 4 or 5 days. After unexpectedly rapidly intensifying at 195 kilometers per hour, 105 knots, over the past 24 hours, Biparjoy has likely reached its peak. Westerly shear around 35 kilometers per hour, 20 knots, continues to pressure the east side of the circulation, and as convection starts to weaken, this should begin to tilt the vortex even more and disrupt the core through at least arrest the intensification trend. Intensifying is expected to remain steady over the next 12 hours, but then as the system moves north into a higher shear environment with convergent easterly flow aloft, it is expected to steadily weaken through landfall with rapid dissipation onshore. Domestic track guidance has come into much better agreement over the past couple of runs, with this run all about NAVGEM and the NAVGM version of COAMPS-TC have come into agreement on the northward track to the next 3 days, followed by a very sharp turn to the northeast. Spread at the landfall covers roughly from the Pakistan-Indian border to the Judit Peninsula, or 296 kilometers, between HWRF on the left and UKMET on the night. The multi-model establishment means to spread also increased significantly as the resembles have also come into an agreement on the overall track scenario. If in the light of the improvement agreement in the guidance, confinement in the track forecast has increased to the high trending to medium later. Intensified guidance is in relatively good agreements through the HWRF is the outer outlie showing near terms weakening followed by additional intensification after 36 hours. Here's a satellite imagery of Biparjoy as now an extreme severe cyclonic system.